Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another car repair video. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace brake pads and rotors on BMW E46. This particular car is a 325i, same procedure will apply to all BMW E46. Without further ado, let's get started. After you jack up the car and remove the wheel, first thing to do is to remove the securing clip. Then unscrew the brake caliper bolts using a T45 Torx. Don't let the brake caliper to hang on brake hose, try to find the proper way to support it. The brake pads are off, now it's time for the rotor to come out. Get a 16mm socket and remove the bolt that holds the caliper bracket. Now use a 6mm Allen key to remove this bolt and take out the rotor. Install the new rotor and bracket back. Next step is to rewind the brake caliper. As the new brake pads are thicker, you'll need a rewinding tool to push back the caliper piston. Screw the bolt, replace the dust cap, fit the securing clip, clean the rotors with brake cleaner, and you are all done. On the other side you'll have an extra step, and that is to replace the wear sensor. If you want to see how to do that, watch my video how to replace rear brake pads on BMW E46. I'll post the link in description. Once you are done with this brake job, check the brake fluid level and press the brake pedal few times. When you press it for the first time it will be very soft. You have to press it until it goes back to normal. Usually you should press it about 3-4 times. Hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.